Hello viewers, I remain Beatrice Christopher from Statistics Scribe. God's willing, in these tutorials I'm going to show you how to perform two-way analysis of variance with replication. So we have a question here from a particular lecture note which states that the following results were obtained in a two-factor experiment involving a study of the effect of temperature time on the percentage yield of a reaction. So we have temperature in degrees Celsius, we have time. Okay, so here quickly, and our number of replication here is 2. So you can see we have 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So quickly you go to IBM SPSS statistics, go to your variable view. Okay, and define the first thing we have is percentage, which is percentage yield, because that's our responses. And the next thing we have is our factor. One of the factors is temperature. We also have a factor called time here. That's the two factors we have. Now permit me to expand this so you can see it clearly. So for percentage yield, since our observations do not have decimals, we can reduce it to 0, and temperature same to 0. Then the label here is percentage yield. Okay, and then for temperature we have temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, now we have time in hours. Okay, we have time in hours. Then for the percentage yield here, we know that our level of measurement is scale. For temperature, it's nominal in this case, but it can also be ordinal depending on the analysis you're performing, and for time is nominal also. Okay, so let me minimize to split the screen. So for temperature, we have 110 degrees Celsius, we have 115 degrees Celsius, and we have 120 degrees Celsius. While for time, we have 1 hour and we have 2 hours. So quickly, let's go and define our values. Okay, so under values here for temperature, here we have 1 to be coded for 110 degrees, 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, permit me to copy this to save time. Okay, so you add it, and for 2 we have 115. I'm going to paste it, degrees Celsius. For 3 we have 120 degrees Celsius. You paste. Okay, you add, and you click OK. Then you go to time also. So for time we have 1 hour and 2 hours. So you come to your values here. So for 1, we're coding 1 for 1 hour. Okay, you add, then 2 for 2 hours. You can actually hit your enter key on your keyboard. Okay, to select it also, then you can click OK. We're good for the coding. So you go to your data view to enter your data. Remember, like I said, you can enter your data row wise or column wise or at random, but preferably, and for simplicity, it's better you enter it either row or column wise. So for the sake of this tutorials, I'm going to enter mine row wise. Okay, so this is the data here I have. This is just manual computation, but because we're using software to perform our analysis, I'm going with the original data set. So now let's enter our data. Remember, I said you can enter your data either row or column wise or at random, but for simplicity I recommend entering it either row or column wise. Okay, so quickly I'm going to enter mine row wise in this case for the sake of this tutorials. So I have 5 6 9 7 10 11 10 8 11 12 13 15 in that order. So I have 5 6 9 7 10 11 10 8 11 12 13 and 15. Okay, then for the temperature here, 5 falls under 110, which is column 1. So in this case, I have 1. 6 here falls under 1. 9, 2, 7, 2 in that order. This falls under what? 3. 3, that's column 3 for 120, and it was coded 3. Okay, for 120 degrees, you can toggle around to see this is 120 degrees Celsius. So for the second row, 10 here appears under column 1, which is 110. So here I have 1. 8 is still under 1. 11 here is under 2, as we coded it. 12 is under 2. This is 3, 3. If you understand the pattern, you can actually run it fast, okay? It's just for the explanation's sake. Then for time here, we have 5 here appearing under 1 hour, 6 appearing under 1 hour, 9 appearing under 1 hour, 7 appearing under 1 hour in that order. It means we have 1 in 6 places. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in 6 places. Then for 10, 8 through 15 here in this order is in row 2. We have 2 in 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So permit me to maximize, okay? So after maximizing, I have this. Then you go to Analyze, then General Linear Model Univariate. Next thing is dependent variable here is percentage yield, so send it to the box. Then for fixed factors, we have temperature in degrees and time in hours. Okay, send them to the fixed factor model. Then you click on model, it's already on full factorial. Then you click continue, then okay, here comes our output. Okay, so we have temperature with sum of squares of 50 and time with sum of squares of 36.75, and temperature interaction time we have 0.00. Then for error we have 7.5. okay, and their corresponding degrees of freedom are this alongside their mean squares and their F statistics together with their significance values. That's the p values. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, hit on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching.